The global flight booking market will be worth $1.2 trillion by 2032. That's huge. But here's the problem. 37% of travelers say flight booking issues are their biggest frustration. Why do some flight booking apps succeed while others fail? We're going to explore that. Now, if you are someone who is thinking about building a flight booking app in 2026, then you've come to the right video. In this video, we'll show you a complete flight booking platform. You will get to know what users see, what you control behind the scenes, and how AI fits into all of this, and what it costs to build. Let's start. Before we dive into the platform, let's talk about what you're actually building into. The flight booking market will hit $1.2 trillion by 2032. But here's the brutal truth. Around 90% of startups in this space eventually fail. The reason is simple. They get three things wrong. First, complex booking processes. Users face dozens of filters, endless search results, and 10-step checkout flows. They give up halfway through. AI fixes this. Smart recommendations based on past behavior. Personalized search results. One-click booking instead of 10 steps. Second, price transparency. Travelers search for a $200 flight, then fees add $80 at checkout. Prices change between search and payment. Nobody likes surprises. AI solves this with real-time price tracking. Fee prediction before they click buy. Full cost breakdown up front. Third, changes and cancellations. When flights get delayed or plans change, most apps make rebooking a nightmare. Hours on hold. Confusing refund policies. Terrible experience. AI changes that. Auto rebooking when delays happen. Predictive alerts before disruptions. Instant refund processing. Now, why is 2026 the perfect time to build? Two reasons. 1. Massive market gaps. 68% of users browse on mobile, but only 38% actually book there. That's a huge conversion problem waiting to be solved. Business travelers need better tools. Families struggle to coordinate group bookings. Accessible travel options for disabled passengers barely exist. These gaps are massive opportunities. 2. Users are ready. Around 75% of travelers now expect to book their entire trip online. Not just flights, but hotels, cars, and everything else. Roughly 72% say they prefer booking online rather than through traditional travel agencies. And about 4 in 10 travelers already use AI tools and chatbots to help plan or book their trips, with that share growing every year. The demand is proven. The behavior has already shifted. So what does a modern flight booking platform actually look like? Let's show you. App, Home, and Search. This is the User App. Instead of complex forms and endless filters, the experience starts simple and intuitive. Users can quickly enter their destination, dates, and passenger details, all in one clean search flow. AI-powered flight search. AI powers the search experience behind the scenes. Based on past behavior, preferred airlines, travel time, and budget, results are personalized for each traveler. This reduces decision fatigue and helps users find the right flight faster. Transparent flight results. Search results are designed for transparency. Users instantly see total prices, baggage inclusion, layover duration, and refundability before clicking further. No hidden fees. No last-minute surprises. Price Insights and Tracking AI also tracks price changes in real time. The app highlights whether prices are likely to rise or fall, and alerts users when it's the right time to book. Simplified booking flow. Booking is fast and frictionless. Passenger details are auto-filled, preferences are remembered, and checkout happens in just a few steps, not 10. AI Assistant for travel support. When travelers have questions, an in-app AI assistant provides instant help, from fare rules and baggage policies to visa or layover queries. Changes, delays, and rebooking. When plans change or flights are delayed, the app steps in automatically. Users receive predictive alerts, rebooking options, and instant refund processing without waiting on hold. This is how AI transforms flight booking, faster searches, transparent pricing, and a smoother journey from booking to boarding. The next generation of flight booking belongs to platforms that combine AI intelligence with user experience and transparency, and the window to enter this market is now. At Code Brew Labs, we've helped over 100 founders build AI-powered products. We know what works and what doesn't. For flight booking platforms, we bring that expertise: smart search and recommendations, real-time price tracking, automated rebooking systems. We will design, develop, and deploy a working flight booking product within 45 days. We will provide you a custom tech stack for your platform, a realistic timeline, and budget for your project. If you're serious about launching before competitors flood this market, now is the time to move. Click the link in the description and fill out the 2-minute form and schedule a free consultation call with our experts. Our team will reach out within 24 to 48 hours. Let's design your flight booking platform, one that simplifies the journey, eliminates surprises, and keeps travelers coming back. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.